What's up? Thank you for tuning in. I'm inside the wheel well. I am putting on the stock rims, 15-inch, just to see what they look like. Decided to bring you guys along for the journey. We'll see what happens. Pulled off the old rim, 285 45 20 adapter. There's my C-notch. Yeah, gonna throw on the stock rim. Stay tuned. Looks good so far. I already did the driver's side. Driver's side looks good. So I'm sure I'll ride around with these stock ones. It all depends on what kind of mood I'm in, you know what I mean? Yeah, Harbor Freight.